Facebook, you know what I'm talking about?
I know.
Yeah. So I see a camera right there. It's like, what is going on?
We're all two different media stations.
Where are you from?
I'm from the Bay Area.
Oh, okay. Right. Oh, so you guys, you're doing your own social media, but for the Bay Area, I see now.
Not just from the Bay Area, but here.
Right.
So I do all kinds, wherever city I go to,
Okay.
I'm doing them. Yeah. All right. Happened at 4th and Market. Oh, okay.
Junkies been the hot spot.
It has. I know, I would say all throughout this street. You know, kind of what's going to happen.
So did you get good shots of that? That happened kind of quick.
I know it did. That's why I always record from, you know, the start. Even though I know sometimes you got to reserve film and, you know, you got to reserve batteries. But hey, regardless, I'm capturing the scene. I did it on my phone, but now I got my little camera out, so my phone can't do anymore. So yeah, that trip he gave me is getting pretty full. I might have to get another one of those trips he gave me. I've been storing up a lot of stuff on there. And it's full.
You filled that card?
Yeah.
All right.
I'm like, man. So I need something like stronger.